Finding mean, mean deviation, standard deviation and variance of grouped data. Example of grouped data. In this example there are 7 classes and number of sample size is 60. The frequency is given in front of each classes. Finding mean. In order to find mean, first we will find midpoint, S as represented by xi, by adding 2 class limits, then divide by 2 to get values of midpoints. For example, the first midpoint is 74.5, which you will get by adding 65 and 84, then divided by 2 to get 74.5. In this way, you will find all midpoint of remaining 6 classes. After finding all midpoints, you will add it to get numerator value in finding mean, which is 7,350, and denominator value is 60. Thus, the mean in this example is 122.50. Finding mean deviation. The numerator value for finding mean deviation is 1,696, and denominator value is 60. Thus, the mean deviation in this example is 28.27. Finding standard deviation. The numerator value for finding standard deviation is 72,960 and denominator value is 60. Thus, the standard deviation in this example in Formula 1 is 122.50. When we subtract 1 from sample size in Formula 2, then the value of standard deviation becomes little higher as compared to Formula 1, which is 35.17. Finding variance. The numerator value for finding variance is 72,960 and denominator value is 60. Thus, the variance in this example in Formula 1 is 1016. When we subtract 1 from sample size in Formula 2, then the value of variance becomes little higher as compared to Formula 1, which is 1036.61. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.